What they make noise? Crude, now they pass us.
And see that place open. We're supposed to go down. As na video, Here is valve. This is valve.
Yes.
And you see other one there. So many life was taken here that particular day that the incident happened. I think 3 days ago, we lost about 20 persons, others injured. We are pleading on the federal government and Nayok to come and put these things in order. And also we the OSPAC, we are also willing to assist Nayok and the federal government of Nigeria to also see how we can secure these facilities. It is very wrong for our people to be lost in their life, our youth, precisely, the young ones, to be losing their life in cause of doing bunkering. We are pleading with the federal government to come and fix these things, the Nayok to come and fix their facilities, so that the operation will continue. And also pleading with the youth to take it very easy in the course of looking for money. I know the lives I have lost, so many families have lost their loved ones. It is unacceptable. Please, we want to plead with the youth to take it easy. In the course of looking for money, you must not destroy these things. You must not destroy your life. You must not destroy the country. You must not destroy the community.
The news making around the place about people burning is a very true story. And that happened a night breaking Sunday. You know, these oil installations across the creeks of Omoku, the Orashi, you know, where these oil installations are, and people who go to scoop the gas were burnt to ashes, some burnt beyond recognition. At least that number is not lie, it's true. The number we had is about 20, you know, but some were burnt beyond recognition. So we can't just ascertain, but at least a minimum number of 20. And I want to say that Ogba, Egebema and Ndoni is the hub of oil and gas, you know, installations or exploration in Nigeria as a whole. So that this business, this is what we suffer, you know, degradation of our ecosystem, you know, our environment and all that. And for me, I feel that there is nothing that will be given to the Ogba, Egebema and Ndoni local government. That will be too much from the state and from the federal government. We have the Nigerian army. We have the civil defense guiding this oil installation. But it's like there is a connivance and condoning this act. Hence, this thing is going scot-free. Otherwise, I don't see any reason why this use will be going to vandalize in the presence of the security officers. So for me, it's not a good thing. We have advised, we have gone to radio, we have gone to television, you know, and made so many advertorials against this because it's inimical. As you vandalize, the thing is coming to the environment, and the environment is being destroyed. What I saw on television today, you know, you see that the place, there is no grass or no plant will grow in that place in the next 10 or more years. So we're advising our youth to desist from the vandalism of oil installations and oil facilities in and around Ogba, Egebema and Ndoni.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.